Welcome to SAM Official Tech. Across history, great empires have risen, leaving indelible marks on culture, technology, governance, and the very structure of the world. From the powerful pharaohs of Egypt to the reach of the British Empire, each of these ancient powers changed humanity's path in unique ways. Today, we're taking a deep dive into 17 of the most influential empires that defined history, examining what made them powerful, the forces that led to their decline, and the valuable lessons their legacies leave behind. So sit back and prepare for an unforgettable journey through the world's most impactful empires. Egypt's enduring civilization is best known for its grand structures like the pyramids and the Sphinx. Here, we'll discuss the power dynamics of the pharaohs, their religious beliefs, and their mastery in architecture, art, and administration. Despite thousands of years of influence, internal strife and invasions ultimately led to Egypt's decline. The story of Egypt teaches us about the importance of stable governance and the dangers of over-dependence on a single ruler. The Akkadian Empire, led by Sargon the Great, is often cited as the first empire in history. This section will explore how Sargon united various city-states of Mesopotamia, creating a unified state with centralized power. However, environmental challenges and internal conflicts led to its fall. From Akkadian, we learn the value of unity and the need for sustainable environmental practices. The Assyrians were renowned for their military prowess and sophisticated administrative systems. We'll discuss their use of iron weapons, siege tactics, and infrastructure, which made them one of the most powerful empires of their time. But excessive brutality and rebellion led to the collapse of Assyria. They remind us that maintaining power through fear alone is not sustainable. Led by Cyrus the Great, the Persian Empire became known for its policies of tolerance and efficient administrative systems. This section will cover how Persian rule allowed for religious freedom and a standardized system across vast lands. Their empire fell to Alexander the Great, showing that even well-administered empires need strong defense mechanisms. Ancient Greece is celebrated for its contributions to democracy, philosophy, and the arts. Here, we'll discuss how city-states like Athens and Sparta defined different paths to power, the influence of philosophers like Socrates and Plato, and the impacts of the Greek Golden Age. However, frequent wars weakened Greece, allowing Macedon to take control. Greece's story teaches us about the balance between freedom and unity. Under Alexander the Great, the Macedonian Empire spread Greek culture across 3 continents. This section will delve into Alexander's conquests, the spread of Hellenistic culture, and the lasting impacts on science, art, and philosophy. His untimely death led to division, teaching us the risks of over-reliance on a single leader without a succession plan. The Roman Empire's influence on law, governance, and infrastructure remains unparalleled. This section will cover Rome's transition from republic to empire, their engineering marvels, and their impact on Western culture. However, political corruption, economic troubles, and barbarian invasions led to Rome's decline. Rome teaches us about innovation, governance, and the need for internal integrity. The Byzantine Empire preserved Roman and Greek knowledge during Europe's Dark Ages. We'll discuss its contributions to law, Justinian code, religion, and art. Despite its strong defenses, the Crusades and the Ottoman conquest led to its fall. Byzantium reminds us of the importance of cultural preservation and adaptability in changing times. The Mongol Empire, led by Genghis Khan, became the largest contiguous empire in history. This section will explore how Mongol tolerance and trade policies allowed for cultural exchange along the Silk Road. However, internal division weakened the empire. The Mongols teach us the benefits of open trade and the need for unity within diverse populations. Under the Abbasid Caliphate, the Islamic world became a center of learning and innovation. Here, we'll explore the achievements of scholars in Baghdad, advancements in medicine, mathematics, and astronomy. Internal strife and invasions eventually led to decline. The Islamic Golden Age reminds us of the power of knowledge and the risks of political division. The Holy Roman Empire sought to unite Europe under a single rule while respecting diverse cultures. This section will discuss the empire's complex political structure, its role in the Protestant Reformation, and its impact on European politics. Its fragmented power structure ultimately led to its dissolution. The Holy Roman Empire shows us the challenges of uniting a diverse region under a single government. Spanning Europe, Asia, and Africa, the Ottoman Empire played a key role in global trade. Here, we'll discuss their governance model, military prowess, and contributions to architecture and art. However, slow modernization and nationalistic movements led to its decline. The Ottoman Empire teaches us the importance of adaptability and modernization. The Mali Empire was one of Africa's most prosperous empires, known for its wealth, trade routes, and the scholarly city of Timbuktu. We'll look at how rulers like Mansa Musa spread wealth and culture across the continent. Civil wars and external pressures led to its fall. Mali's story reminds us of the importance of knowledge and economic stability. The Aztec Empire, with its rich culture and impressive architecture, dominated Mesoamerica. We'll discuss their social structure, religious practices, and innovations. However, European contact brought disease and conquest. The Aztec story teaches the dangers of isolation and the impact of foreign technology and disease on indigenous societies. Inca Empire is known for its agricultural terraces, road networks, and architectural achievements like Machu Picchu. Here, we'll explore how the Inca managed resources across diverse terrains. The Spanish conquest ended the Incas' rule, showing the risks of expansion without adequate defense against external threats. The British Empire was the largest empire in history, influencing global politics, language, and trade. This section will discuss Britain's colonial expansion, the Industrial Revolution, and the impact of British rule on colonies. Decolonization and internal pressures eventually led to its fall. The British Empire teaches us about the impacts of colonialism, innovation, and the quest for autonomy. As we conclude, we'll discuss how the legacies of these empires continue to influence today's superpowers and global systems. Modern empires, though less formal, operate through economic, technological, and cultural influence. What can today's nations learn from these ancient and historical empires about power, influence, and ethical governance? Thank you for watching. We hope this journey through history gave you a new perspective on how past empires have shaped our modern world. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Sam Official Tech, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth content. Let us know in the comments which empire you found most intriguing and what lessons you think we can apply today. Until next time, stay curious, and keep exploring history's rich legacy.